Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Morning, it is an Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods order day. So I got some fruit and I'm prepping some baby food, gourmet baby food. So I originally was gonna do like purchasing of baby food, and then I was like, you know what, they have all these additives in them. I'm pretty much a hippie, so I decided to just make them myself. So today I ordered some plums, organic plums, pear, this is I can't remember the name of the pear, but I'll link it. Peaches and avocados. In Jamaica we call them pear, but this is a Hass, Hass, avocado. So it's a little firm outside, but inside is really nice and soft. So I'm gonna just mush that one. But the plums, I'm going to steam them. I use my Aroma professional steamer. I got this one at Costco, and then I use my Ninja bullet to macerate everything. So this is broccoli. Steam the broccoli, and I mash it up as much as I can, because broccoli has like a grit to it, so hopefully he'll do well with that. I don't know how well he's gonna do, but we're gonna try that. In here I have butternut squash, and then on this side I have pumpkin. So I think he'll like pumpkin. We'll see. I'm just trying more vegetables on him now. And then I cover it up with our Wee Sprout, is the name of the brand. Got these on Amazon, and I actually also bought these Wee Sprout baby food containers that come with a lid and everything like that. This is 4 ounces. He's 6 months. Yesterday he officially turned 6 months. So for 6 months they're supposed to be doing between 1 to 4 ounces every like 3 times a day. So he's been doing apples, and I've been doing like cubes of them. I didn't use these as of yet. I didn't have these yet. So these, every little hole is 1 ounce, 30 mLs. So he's been doing apples. He really likes apples, but I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna try him on the pumpkin. I'm gonna try him pumpkin, butternut squash, and broccoli. But remember, you guys have to space them out. Try a new item every 3 days. That's what we've been following. Dan and I are pretty good about, we don't have any like food allergies that we're aware of. So the likelihood of him having food allergies is slimmer, but it's not a definitive like, oh, he's not gonna have allergies. So we are spacing up the items. But Dan is convinced that what vegetable is it?
I think the sweet potato.
The sweet potato. He thinks the sweet potato is like binding him up.
Not binding him, but I think it's making his stools more solid.
More solid. Sweet potato is on the list of like the starter foods. So that's why I kind of wanted to try what online states. We're gonna talk to pediatrician on Tuesday, but right now they say plums, the avocado, and the pears are really good for their bowel movements. So that's kind of why I want to push those in. So that I'm going to have a full day of steaming and blending up vegetables and fruits and stuff like that. And then once I have these in the trays, I freeze them. They come with a nice lid. You cover them up, put them in the freezer, and then I'm just going to put them in these reusable bags. I have these reusable bags. These are all items that I got on Amazon. I'll link them in the description so you guys can kind of follow along on what we're doing. The name of the brand of the reusable bags is Q Inline. So yeah, so that's what today is filled with. Okay guys, so I'm making some meals for Kellan. I have, in this one, I have pear, American pear, I guess you could call that. This one is peaches, and this one are plums. And then in here I have peas, so I dropped peas, and then the pear.
Is that an actual
This one
pear?
is pumpkin, yeah, like the pears. Not this pear.
Not Jamaican.
Not avocado.
Avocado
Yeah.
pear.
It's like the fruit pear.
Like shout out to
well,
my
that's
pears.
a fruit too, but like pears, yeah.
Like Rick Ross, shout out to my
Yeah.
peers.
So okay, peas and pears, and then this is pumpkin and peaches, and this one is peas and, oh no, that's not peas, that's actually broccoli. It's broccoli.
By the way, if
It's
you don't
broccoli.
know what Rick Ross shout out to my peers is, just look up Rick Ross and pears, and then you can come back
you'll
and
get
thank
that.
us later. That's you should know that.
So plum and broccoli. So the green one's broccoli, and then this one is butternut squash and plum. So like yesterday, I went through cutting them up, steaming them in our steamer, and then blending them up. And then now I'm actually making like meals out of them. These I have already been frozen in my wheat sprout containers that I have some plantain in the fridge. Let me pull that now actually. Some plantain that's gonna go in these containers, and then I'm gonna freeze them, and then we're gonna make more meals. And I have some green banana that is turning yellow-esque that I'm supposed to boil as well and freeze those up. Meal prep for baby.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.